Yo guys, I'm back with another new update right here. So in today's video, I'm going to be walking you through how you could make 5,000 right here from the comfort of your home by literally playing games on your phone. So you guys literally had me right, but before I literally dive into the video, let me quickly show you guys something real quick. So if I head over to my Gmail right here, you guys are gonna see right here, this is a payment right here from Binance, and it said I have 5 USDT right here, which is equals to 5,000 right here in my currency, because literally right here, a dollar right here in Nigeria right here is now 1,000 naira. I could see right here it said it has been successful deposited right here into my account. So right here, I'm going to be sending this money right here from my Binance account right here into my local bank account right here in Nigeria. You guys could see right here that the money just arrived right here into my first bank account. You guys could see right here. So in this video right here, I'm going to be walking you through step by step right here how you could literally make money by literally playing games on your phone. And the reason I'm showing you guys this right here is just to tell you that you could literally make money right here from the comfort of your home by just playing games right here using your smartphone. All I just want you guys to do right here is to please pay close attention to every little details right here I'm going to be sharing with you right here in this video. First thing you need to do right here is to click on the first link in the description. So once you click on the first link in the description right here, it's going to take you right here to this website, and this is the website that we're going to be using to make this money right here. But before you usually do that right here, I'm going to advise you watch the video to the end. Do not click on the website right here. Do not go to check out the link. Make sure you watch this video first before you click on the link in the description. And the reason is because right here, this website is kind of a little bit complicated, because you guys might not know how to navigate this website, and that's the reason why a lot of you guys fail to make money online, because you guys aren't being patient. So that's the reason I told you guys to please pay close attention to every little single thing I'm going to be teaching you right here in this video. So once you are on the website, basically all you need to do right here is to create an account. And in order for you to create an account, all you need to do right here is to just click on the menu bar right here. So once you click on the menu bar right here, it's going to take you right here to this area where you'll be able to create an account. So you just click on this user button right here. So once you click on the user button right here, you're going to see this option of signing in right here. So once you click on the sign in button right here, or the sign up button, either the two, so it's going to take you right here to this page where you will ask to fill out your name, enter your email address, then you need to enter your password, also confirm your password. Once you're done with that right here, all you need to do right here is to click on the sign up button. So once you click on the sign up button right here, your account is going to be created successfully. So they're going to send an email right here into your email address. Always make sure you check your email. Once you're done creating your account right here, this is how your account is going to look like. All you need to do right here is to click on the back button right here. So once you click on the back button right here, it's going to take you right here to the dashboard. I take you right here to the dashboard right here. You're going to see your name right here and the amount of money you have earned for today right here. So in order for you right here to start playing games right here on this website right here, all you need to do right here is to click on the menu bar right here at the left corner right here, or you could go over to this section right here, to the game section right here, either the two. Just click on any of the two right here, and you can see right here have a balance of $2 right here, which is equal to 2,000 naira right here as my total balance right here. So you could just head over to the game option right here. So once you are at the game option right here, you're gonna see a lot of games right here that you could literally play, and you can see right here they said you could literally play games right here and earn some extra money right here for yourself. And you can see right here these are popular games right here out there for you guys to play right here. You can see right here this is the Subway and the drag racing city cars, and a lot of games right here you could play. This is the PS4. So for those of you who like football games, you know, car racing games, you know, hockey, and a lot of games right here, all you need to do right here is to just play any of this game right here. So for me right here, my favorite game right here is the Subway right here. So I'm going to be playing the Subway right here because I'm going to be doing a live demonstration right here. You're going to be seeing me making some money right here from this app right here. So I'm just going to be clicking on the Subway. So once you click on it right here, it's going to load up a bit right here. So it's going to be displaying an ad, so you need to wait for the ad to load. Then once the ad is done loading right here, you could just click on the skip button right here at the down corner of the video right here. So it's going to take you straight right here to the game. You guys can see right here that the game is now loading right here. So right here I'm going to be clicking on the play button right here. So we're going to be playing some game right here. So let's just go right here. So like I said guys, these are just simple things you could do right here from the comfort of your home right here. But for the purpose of time, I don't want this video to be long right here, so I have to end the game right here. So I'm gonna be clicking on leave the game right here. So once I click on leave the game right here, you're gonna see how much I've earned so far. So I'm gonna be quitting the game right here for the purpose of this video, because I don't really want the video to be long at all. So you can see right here it says I've won right here and I've earned $0.01, which is equal to like 100 naira right here in Nigeria currency right here. So I'm gonna be closing this tab right here. I'm gonna be closing this tab. I'm gonna be clicking on the back button right here. So there are a lot of games you could literally play right here on this app. You could decide to go with the football. You know, there are a lot of games. Just choose any of the game you know you prefer most. So in order to see how much you have accumulated, in order to see how much you have earned right here on the website, all you need to do right here to head over to this menu tab. So once you head over to this menu tab right here, you're gonna be going over to your profile section right here. Once you're on your profile section right here, you're gonna see how much you have earned and you're gonna see your total balance for today right here. You can see right here my balance is loading up right here, and you can see I have a total balance of $2.07 right here. So guys, that is how you could literally make money right here by literally playing games on your phone. So in order to withdraw your money right here from this app right here, the only method you could use to withdraw your money right here is using Bitcoin. So you need to have a Binance account. If you know you don't have a Binance account, you could just head over to Google right here or YouTube right here to go watch some tutorials teaching you how to create a Binance account. So all you need to do right here to click on the menu bar right here. So once you click on the menu bar right here, it's going to take you straight to the withdraw option right here. So once you go over to the withdraw option right here, you're gonna see a place where you could add your address. That is your withdrawal address right here. You just click on add withdrawal address. Then once you're done with that, click on select payments method right here. So once you click on the select payments method right here, you're gonna see different kind of payments method. You could decide to get paid using Bitcoins, you know, USDT, you know, Litecoins, and a lot of crypto, you know, payment method right here. So once you copy your Litecoins address right here, you could just, you know, copy your wallet address, then head over to the app right here. Then you could now paste your wallet address. So that's how you could withdraw your money from the app. So like I said earlier, it's not necessary you go with the Litecoin. You know, you want to go with Bitcoins and other payment, you know, method right here. You could do so right here. But me personally, I withdraw my money through Litecoin, because that is how you could literally withdraw your money right here on this app. And I hope you guys found the video helpful. If you know you did, consider smashing that subscribe button right here, like the video, and also if you have any question you want to ask me, feel free to go to the comment section right here and drop your comment, and I'm gonna be answering to all of your questions. And also, if you know you haven't joined our WhatsApp community group right here, I'm gonna be leaving the link in the description. And also you can also follow me on social media right here on Instagram, Facebook. I'm gonna be leaving all the link in the description. Make sure you go check out all the links in the description, and also share this video to your friends and family so that they could also benefit right here from this new update.